Get ready to discover a hidden world of banned gadgets that you can still buy on Amazon. In this eye-opening video, we dive into the realm of forbidden technology and reveal some mind-blowing gizmos that have managed to go under the radar. But don't forget to subscribe, because we will bring you even more amazing content that pushes the boundaries of innovation, keeping you informed and entertained. Spy glasses. Spy glasses, also known as hidden camera glasses or spy camera glasses, are glasses that are designed to allow the user to record video or take pictures covertly without drawing attention to themselves. The glasses are equipped with a hidden or embedded camera that can capture high-quality video and photos. Typically, the glasses have clear lenses and look similar to regular glasses, making them easy to blend in with everyday attire. These glasses can be useful for a variety of purposes, including investigations, surveillance, and recording footage in situations where carrying a typical camera or smartphone would not be practical or could raise suspicion. Spy glasses are designed to provide covert recording capabilities for a range of purposes. Come in various sizes, shapes, and models, some with additional features such as night vision and audio recording capabilities. The use of spy glasses has gained significant popularity in recent years, and they can be found on various online shopping platforms and retail stores. It is important to check local laws and regulations before purchasing and using spy glasses to avoid any legal repercussions. Mojo Lens. Mojo Lens is a smart contact lens being developed by the company Mojo Vision. It is designed to overlay monochrome images, symbols, and text on the user's natural field of vision without obstructing their view. The lens is based on microelectronics and micro-LEDs, which allow it to display information in a very compact format. Mojo Vision has been working on the development of the Mojo Lens for several years and has made significant progress in its development. In March 2022, the company unveiled a prototype of the lens, which has been in development for 7 years. The prototype was demonstrated by the company's CEO, who wore the lens to showcase its capabilities. The Mojo Lens is still in the prototype stage and requires further development and clinical testing before it can become commercially available. The company has stated that the Mojo Lens is the first step in delivering invisible computing to the world, which is a new era of computing in which technology is integrated seamlessly into our surroundings and enhances our daily lives without being obtrusive. The Mojo Lens is an exciting development in the field of smart wearables and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. However, it is important to remember that the lens is still in development, and it may be some time before it becomes commercially available. Smart NFC Ring. A smart NFC, near-field communication, ring is a wearable electronic device that uses NFC technology to communicate with other compatible devices. It is a ring that looks like a regular piece of jewelry but has a small embedded chip that allows it to transmit data wirelessly over short distances. The ring works by exchanging data with NFC-enabled devices such as smartphones, tablets, and payment terminals. It can be programmed to perform a variety of functions such as unlocking doors, making contactless payments, accessing data, and transferring information between devices. Smart NFC rings come in different sizes and designs, and they are made from various materials such as titanium, stainless steel, or ceramic. They use wireless charging technology, which means they can be charged without the need for cables or external connectors. The use of smart NFC rings is gaining popularity as they offer a convenient, hands-free way of performing tasks, especially in situations where carrying a phone or other device is not practical. They are also a stylish and discreet way of accessing information and making secure payments. Overall, smart NFC rings are an exciting development in wearable technology, offering a multitude of possibilities for interacting with the world around us in a seamless, hassle-free way. Wi-Fi Deauther Watch V3. The Wi-Fi Deauther Watch V3 is a powerful and compact wearable device designed for wireless network enthusiasts and security professionals. This innovative device allows users to perform various network-related tasks and security assessments with ease. The Deauther Watch V3 features a sleek and stylish design, resembling a regular wristwatch, making it discreet and convenient to use in various scenarios. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for on-the-go professionals who require a portable and versatile tool. Equipped with an integrated OLED display, the Deauther Watch V3 provides a user-friendly interface for accessing its wide range of functions. It supports various wireless protocols, including 802.11b/g/n, and allows users to scan nearby networks, capture packets, analyze data, and perform authentication attacks. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering extended usage time for continuous operations. It also features a built-in clock, allowing users to keep track of time while utilizing its advanced network capabilities. The watch can be easily customized through its intuitive menu system, enabling users to adjust settings, select attack modes, and view real-time information. With its compact size, powerful capabilities, and intuitive interface, the Wi-Fi Deauther Watch V3 is an essential tool for network professionals, penetration testers, and security enthusiasts who aim to analyze and secure wireless networks effectively. Prooter Slingshot. The Prooter Slingshot with Laser Aiming Professional is a cutting-edge tool designed for enthusiasts and professionals who seek precision and accuracy in slingshot shooting. This advanced slingshot combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to enhance the shooting experience. The Prooter Slingshot features a sleek and ergonomic design, providing a comfortable grip and excellent control for the user. The frame is constructed using high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity even during intense usage. One of the standout features of the Prooter Slingshot is its integrated laser aiming system. The laser sight provides a precise target indicator, allowing users to line up their shots with utmost accuracy. This feature is particularly beneficial for long-range shooting or when aiming at small targets. Additionally, the Prooter Slingshot incorporates a professional-grade wrist brace, enhancing stability and reducing hand fatigue during extended shooting sessions. The wrist brace can be adjusted to fit different hand sizes, ensuring a secure and comfortable shooting experience. The slingshot is also compatible with various types of ammunition, including steel balls, marbles, or custom projectiles, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred ammunition for different shooting scenarios. Digital license plate. The digital license plate is an innovative technological advancement in vehicle identification. This state-of-the-art solution replaces traditional physical license plates with a digital display that provides real-time information and enhanced functionality. As technology continues to evolve, the digital license plate represents a significant step forward in vehicle identification and management. The digital license plate features an electronic screen that can display the vehicle's license plate number, registration details, and other relevant information. The display is designed to be clear and visible, ensuring easy identification even in varying lighting conditions. Additionally, the digital license plate opens up new possibilities for personalized customization. It enables users to customize their license plate with different fonts, colors, and designs, offering a level of personalization that was not possible with traditional plates. One of the key advantages of the digital license plate is its dynamic nature. It allows for automatic updates, making it easier to manage and track vehicles. This functionality can be particularly useful in fleet management, parking systems, and law enforcement applications. If you are interested in this content, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification button to never miss my videos.